guys, it's Manu here from Andro.com. Here I have Apple's latest AirTags. Not just one, but the pack of 4 that cost $100. So with this AirTag, you will be able to find any of your products if you place an AirTag on it using the Find My network. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this brand new seal package of the AirTags 4 pack and also setting it up with my iPhone so that you guys can get an idea about how it works. And let's find out whether this is really worth $100 and also whether you need to pick up a pack of 4 or just a single AirTag or none whatsoever. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Let's get started with today's video. So here we have the seal box of the AirTags 4 pack. So here we have a picture of the AirTag itself at the front, and at the back it says AirTag 4 pack, and we have some information. It says requires iOS or iPad OS device with the latest software, iCloud account, replaceable battery included, and features vary by Apple device and region. Ultra-wideband not available on all regions, so they have given information on all of that right here as well. So here we have the serial number and all of that details down below, and here at the bottom it says Apple Inc., 1 Apple Park, the address of Apple, and all of that information. So without wasting any more time, here we have the place to open it up. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so here we have a package that says AirTag. So at the bottom we have the safety and handling information and all that other paperwork, which I'm going to be keeping over here. And then I'm going to be opening this package up that says AirTag, and here we have the AirTag experience. Here we have 4 AirTags nicely laid out over here. It says on the left hand side, update to the latest iOS or iPad OS and turn on Bluetooth to get started. And here it says pull tab when ready to use, hold near device and follow on screen instructions to set it up with your iPhone with the Find My network. So I'm gonna pick one AirTag up like so, and here we have the AirTag nicely wrapped. This is what it looks like in person. I would say it's the size of a bottle cap or something like that. It's quite small actually, and we have 4 identical AirTags in this box. So I'm gonna set this up later on with other devices that I want to. So for now, for this video, I'm going to be setting up just one AirTag that I have over here. So let me bring in my iPhone, which I have over here. So here I have my iPhone, and now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be actually removing this polythene wrapping like so. And as soon as I pull this, you should hear a sound just like that. So now the AirTag is activated and it looks pretty shiny and nice. This side is fully glossy white, and this side has the Apple logo with some information here. It says ultra wideband AirTag designed by Apple in California and assembled in China, Bluetooth low energy. So that's the information we have here on the AirTag itself. It's quite small, not that heavy as well. So you can, I think I can rock this in my wallet as well. That could be one of the main use cases, and of course with the vehicle key as well as the house key and all of that. So gonna be pretty useful. So I'm gonna be pairing this one up with my iPhone. Alright, so here I have my iPhone. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and unlock it, and here we see the prompt to connect the AirTag to my iOS device. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit on connect right here, and then I get to name the AirTag whatever I want. Do I want to call it the backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, or whatever, wallet or whatever. So I'm gonna select wallet for now, and hit on continue, and it says register AirTag to your Apple ID, so it shows my information. I'm going to continue, and it says Banu's wallet setting up, so it's setting it up right now with my Apple account and registering into the Find My network. So this AirTag is going to be linked to my device. So it says Banu's wallet is with you, precision finding, play sound and direction maps. So here I can go ahead and do it on the Find My network as well. So I can hit on continue, and then it shows this AirTag right here. It says when I go to find, it says it's nearby and it's connected right here. So I'm going to cancel that out, and I can play a sound like this. As you can see, that sound is coming from this little AirTag. It's hard to believe that there's a speaker actually inside this because it's quite small and it's quite audible. I would really love to put this to the test, just do some crazy things with this and see what it lands. And as well as I'm curious to see the privacy concerns when it comes to the AirTag, because that's something that's been hyped around quite a lot by Apple, because they are saying that they have taken extra measures to ensure that the AirTag will not be misused. So that's something that I want to really test out for myself as well. So if you guys have any questions regarding AirTags, you can definitely drop a comment down below and let me know. Maybe I can try to check those out for you guys. So there's also a lost mode here available on the device. So let's say you lose your AirTag, you can use this mode to actually use the Find My network and all the other iPhones around a particular area to find your device, and whoever finds it will see information about yourself. I will bring those information up in an upcoming video later on for you guys. For now, I'm just gonna brief you on these features. So here you also have the option to rename the AirTag as well as remove the AirTag from here. So that's about it for the unboxing and setting up experience. So once this is done, you can go ahead and open up the AirTag box and even pick up another AirTag if you want and set it up in another place, like I said, with the vehicle key. And you can easily use Apple's the keychain to place this onto something. So actually have one keychain. So if you pick up an Apple keychain like this, you can go ahead and place the AirTag inside like so, pretty easily, and that's about it. So just like that, you have your AirTag nice and secure in this keychain. So you can go ahead and put this on to your vehicle key, house key, or whatever you want, even in a pet's collar. That's something I want to really try with the AirTag. So I'll bring you guys an interesting upcoming video soon with more functionality with the AirTag. For now though, I just wanted to share this unboxing video with you guys so that you guys will get to see what it's like to unbox the 4-pack AirTag and also set it up with an iPhone. So with all of that being said, is this really worth it for $100? Is this 4-pack worth it for $100, or should you go ahead and pick up just one AirTag? I'm going to be using these for a couple of days, and I'll get back to you guys on that, as well as a comparison maybe on other similar AirTag like devices that are available in the market. So if you guys have any questions, like I said before, drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them in my upcoming video, as well as my full review of the AirTags dropping soon. Stay tuned, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and all the social media links are given down below in the description as well. You guys know the drill. Share the video with all of your friends if you enjoyed it. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.